Hola amigos, ¿cómo está usted? Bienvenido a las clases de español de WordSmith. I hope you are revising your classes, your lessons, and you are watching these classes regularly. So today I come with another video. We will be diving more into grammar part of Spanish today. Okay, so I'll start it with the very basic things of the grammar, and slowly and gradually we will proceed to the next level. So we're going to start it with the first and the very basics of the grammar, that is what is noun. Now, everybody knows what is noun in English, but I want you to know it very well what is noun. Since you are learning a new language, so you need to know what are the basics of the grammar part of it. So what is a noun? A noun is a name of any person, place, or a thing. We know this every like we have learned it from beginning, and everybody knows it. A noun is the name of any person, place, or a thing. Okay. But in Spanish, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. Okay. So we have to remember this in Spanish. All nouns are either masculine or feminine. Now, how will I come to know whether this particular noun, any particular noun, is masculine or feminine? Simple solution, refer to the dictionary. Whenever you learn a new noun, whenever you come across a new noun, check it in a dictionary. Check that particular noun in the dictionary, and you will come to know whether it is masculine or feminine. Okay. Now, noun are of two types. See, I'm teaching you all this grammar just because I want you to be familiar with the very basic things. So these are things not to be learned, but these are things to be remembered. Slowly and gradually, when you practice it daily, they will get registered in your mind. So nobody is going to ask you what is a noun in Spanish language, or as a matter of fact, in any language. But you should know what is noun. Okay. So slowly and gradually, it gets registers in your mind. Okay. So let's start. What is definite article? Definite article is used to refer to identified or specified people or things, both singular and plural. Okay. So the is the definite article. The is an article which is used to tell about a definite person, place, or a thing. Okay. The boys, the boy, the girl, the girls. Okay. I'm talking about boy, singular. I'm talking about the boys, plural. I'm talking about the girl, singular. I'm talking about the girls, plural. Okay. So definite article is used to identify or specify people or things, both plural and singular, right? In Spanish article, now please note, in Spanish, the definite article agrees with noun in gender and number. So you'll learn it more briefly while in the upcoming video. But just remember, in Spanish, the definite article, the, agrees with noun in gender and number. Now, there are two genders, masculine, feminine. There are two numbers, singular and plural. So, whatever definite article you use, it has to match with the noun in the gender and the number. Okay, let's move on. In Spanish, the definite article for singular masculine is el. So before every noun, if you use L, it means that is singular masculine. If you use la, that means the noun is singular feminine. Again, if you use L before any noun, it shows it is masculine singular. If you use la before any noun, it shows it is feminine singular. Now, what about the plural? If you use los before any noun, it is masculine plural. If you use las before a noun, it is feminine plural. I hope it's clear. And how will you find out whether it is masculine or feminine? You need to refer to dictionary for that. Okay. So now in Spanish language, there are certain hints which will tell you whether it is a masculine noun or a feminine noun. So let's first talk about masculine noun. Okay. How do you recognize a masculine noun? Most nouns that end in O, when you see a noun, the spelling of the noun, when you see a word written, if it ends in O, it means it is a masculine. So you can write L before that noun. For example, el amigo, el libro, el banco, y el perro. So, el amigo. I'm going to tell you only the meaning of a single thing. Okay, single word. For example, amigo is friend. Okay, so el amigo means the male friend. El libro. Now you need to find out what is the meaning of libro from dictionary. I want you to start using the dictionary now. Okay. El libro. El banco. El perro. So all of these nouns are ending in O, and it clearly shows they are masculine, and you can always write the definite article L before them. Okay. However, a word of caution. It is not necessary that all masculine nouns end in O. So please refer dictionary. For example, el animal, the animal. Okay. Animal is a masculine noun. Okay. Masculine. But only if you write L. So you need to write L, el animal. It means the masculine. El hotel. Hotel is masculine in Spanish language. So you need to write el hotel. El doctor. Y el tren. So these are all the examples which do not end in O, but still they are masculine. So you need to refer to the dictionary and cross-check every noun, whether it is masculine or feminine. Slowly and gradually, when you start using it frequently, it will get registered in your mind. So let's move forward. Again, second hint. Some masculine nouns that end in A or MA are masculine. For example, el planeta, el sistema, el poema, el mapa, el mapa, the map. So the map is masculine, so you need to write L before that. It shows that map is masculine. Okay, I hope you're getting it. Slowly, if you go through these examples, you start looking for the nouns in dictionary, you will slowly and gradually come to know whether it's masculine or feminine. And it is the only way to find out. There is no other shortcut. Now, let's move on to the feminine noun part. The feminine singular noun takes the definite article la. Okay. Whenever you write la in before the noun, it denotes you are talking about the feminine part, feminine nouns. Okay. Now, how again the same question, how do you recognize feminine nouns? Again, there are few hints, but they are not always the case. You need to refer it. I prefer every student to use dictionary and find out what these nouns, what is the gender of these nouns, whether they are masculine or feminine. So, most nouns that end in A are feminine. Example, la casa, the house. House is feminine. So you write la casa. La mesa, la comida, la silla. Okay, so you may notice that all nouns are ending in A, and hence they are all feminine nouns. Next hint. Nouns that end in sion, C-I-O-N, S-I-O-N, D-A-D, T-A-D, T-U-D, they are all feminine. So these are the hints which you can always use to recognize a noun. Example, la canción, la ciudad, la ilusión, la amistad, y la actitud. Again, they are ending, one of them are ending in sion, C-I-O-N, S-I-O-N, D-A-D, T-A-D, T-U-D. So any of these nouns, those who are ending in these three alphabets, last 3 or 4 alphabets, they automatically are feminine. Okay. So example, again, I'm going to repeat it for you. La canción, la ciudad, la ilusión, la amistad, and la actitud. Okay. Moving forward. A few nouns that end in O are feminine. Again, I told you before, the nouns that end in O are masculine. But again, an exception is there. A few of these nouns that end in O can be feminine, and they are feminine. That is why I time and again tell all my students to refer to dictionary to be sure whether they are masculine or feminine. So, example, la foto, la radio. So, O, the word is ending in O. It means it is feminine, and you are using la before that. It justifies that, yes, you're talking about the feminine noun. La foto, la radio. Okay. Again, I'm repeating it in this video. Many feminine nouns do not follow these patterns, the ending patterns. Therefore, it is important to learn each noun with its articles. And for that, you need to refer dictionary. Now, I'm going to give you the example for this as well. El artista. Now, el artista. ¿Qué significa el artista? The artist. Now, artist can be male, artist can be female. Okay. So, L denotes that you're talking about the male artist. La artista means you're talking about the female artist. El dentista, la dentista. The dentist. Dentist can be male, dentist can be female. So, el dentista means you're talking about the male dentist. La dentista means you're talking about the female candidate. El estudiante, la estudiante. Student can be male, student can be female. Again, el estudiante means you're talking about the male student, and la estudiante means you're talking about the female student. El presidente, la presidente. El again, the male president. La, again, female president. I hope you got it. Now, the last part of this section would be plural noun. We were talking, till now we are talking about the singular nouns. Now, how to form the plural nouns? Again, there are two very basic things, okay? First, we'll talk about the masculine part. If a noun ends in vowel, you just need to add S at the end and it will be plural. And do not forget to change the article. I'm going to repeat it again for you. Singular, we were using L and La. For plural, we'll be using los for masculine and las for feminine. Again, el libro. Libro, ¿qué significa libro? Book. El libro, the book. Now, el means it is male. Los libros, the books. So you need to add S at the end of libro, as you can see, and change the article. Los libros, because I told you the noun has to be in match with the gender and the number. Okay. El perro, the dog. Los perros, the dogs. I'm talking here about the male dog and the male dogs. Okay. Now let's come to the feminine. If, again, the same thing, if noun ends in vowel, just add S to the end of the word. Example, la bolsa, las bolsas, la persona, las personas. Got it? Now, if the noun does not end in vowel, it will end in consonants. Either of it, either it will end in vowel or it will end in consonant. So if it ends in consonant, you just need to add es to make it plural. For example, el animal, los animales, el tren, los trenes. Got it? Don't worry about the speed. Just go very slow and concentrate on the pronunciation part. Okay. El animal, los animales, el tren, los trenes. Coming to the feminine part. Again, if noun ends in consonant, just add es to the end of the noun. For example, la flor, las flores, la mujer, las mujeres. So, that was it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video about the nouns. This was very basic. Again, I'm repeating it. You don't need to learn everything. You just need to know these things. Slowly and gradually, as you will practice, they'll come into your way of speaking. So you don't need to remember. Nobody's going to ask you what is noun, what is indefinite noun, what is indefinite noun. No. You need to just know them because you are studying the language now. You're learning the language. With practice, they will get registered in your mind and it will become your second habit. So that's all for today. Hasta pronto, amigos. Buen dia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.